All right, so after you have created your Google form, which will be over nutrition information, needs to be 20 questions, one of which needs to be the name. You are going to need to make a QR code so that a person can scan the QR code and take the quiz. So you are going to click on whichever form you're using. I'm going to use an older one. So this is one for priority standards that has some different information we don't need. But we're going to create a QR code. So when I click on Send Form, it's going to give me the URL. So I'm going to Control C, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go up to a new tab, and I am going to Google QR generator. And some of them are free and some of them are not, so you're just going to have to kind of see which one you can get to work. I think this is the one that I use. And so from here I can paste this in. So I'm going to go Control V and I'm going to hit Enter. So I don't want any of that. I don't want to pay for it. So once I have the code over here, it gives me an option of whether or not I want to open or save it. I always like to open it, and it opened on another screen. So here it opened, and I want to make sure it works. So I'm going to get my phone. I am going to get a QR reader from my phone, and I'm going to scan it, and I'm going to make sure that the QR code works. If it does, then I'm going to need to save this code somewhere. You can save it in your Google Drive for later use, but this is how students are going to get to your quiz. So you are going to create this for them to be able to take a quick little QR snap of this and be able to use it. So your ultimate goal is to have your QR code ready for you to use your Google form.